Good morning, my teacher, Ma'am Simbolon, and all my friends at home. How are you today? I hope you are well and keep the spirit. Today, I will explain procedure text, how to make fried rice. Here's the video. How to make fried rice. The ingredients are 1 stick of leeks, 2 plates of white rice, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 eggs, 3 cloves of onions, cooking oil, tomato sauce, and enough salt, pepper, cayenne chili, and add some complementary materials which are chicken, sausage, meatballs, and shrimp. And then, let's see the steps. First, prepare a frying pan and pour the cooking oil according to your taste. Second, heat by using a medium flame. Third, after the oil is hot, put the onion, garlic, and chili. Then, stir all the materials until fragrant and ripe. Next, put the supplementary materials according to your taste. Stir until evenly cooked. After that, put the eggs and scramble until cooked. Then, put the white rice and stir until mixed with all the ingredients. Next, add tomato sauce, salt, pepper until all those materials are blended. If you have smelled a fragrance and your fried rice has already cooked, you have to serve on a plate. In order to make the fried rice look interesting, you should decorate with the sliced tomatoes and other additional materials as you like. Finally, fried rice ready to serve. That's the video. Hopefully, it will be useful for all of us. Good morning. See you again.